All right, we're going to do two problems from section 10.1, similar to what we're going to be doing in class tomorrow and the homework about compositions. So the first one is to find and simplify f of g of x for these two functions we see in front of us. F of x equals 2 to the x and g of x equals x over x plus 1. This is a little bit different than the examples in the lecture because there's no number input for x. So our answer will be another function in terms of x. So again, we work from the inside out. So we have here our inside function in green. So now I would write, instead of g of x, I'm going to write x over x plus 1. And then I look at the function f of x, which is 2 to the x. So instead of x, I replace that with x over x plus 1. Be really careful on computers and calculators to put a parentheses appropriately for your order of operations. You would first evaluate x over x plus 1, making sure that all of x plus 1 is in the denominator, and then 2 to that power. This is our final answer. It's another function that was created by composing these two functions. Let's look at a quick example of a decomposition. This is number 15 from the homework section. We have a function j of x that's equal to the square root of ln of x squared plus 4. And what they want you to think about is if you imagine that j of x is composed of some g of x with f of x, where g of x we can take to be equal to the square root function, what's on the inside? So we see what I'm taking the square root of is this whole function ln of x squared plus 4. So this is my final answer for decomposing it, where ln of x squared plus 4 is my input to the square root function. I will see you in class tomorrow.